I asked two people, one an existing UPA ally and one a potential UPA ally, which is the JDU. The question on Rahul Gandhi.
Or have you just missed the bus? Have you just missed the bus, Mr. Pawan Verma, because Lalu has announced his alliance? So your flirtation with the Congress and a secular front, which you were talking about, is that over?
I think the Congress and the RJD have missed the bus, not the JDU. The JDU never made one first move to form an alliance with the Congress party. It looked to the centre for the granting of a special category status for Bihar, for which there are objectively verifiable reasons, and the whole population of Bihar is behind it. That's a separate matter. As regards weak and strong leadership, and you're talking of leadership, let me say to you, what do we choose from? The BJP speaks of a leader who believes that the crusade against corruption is important in this country, and then welcomes Yediyurappa in. The Congress leader speaks about a crusade against corruption and joins hands with Lalu Yadav, a person who is leading a party and who has been convicted for corruption and has been jailed and is out on bail. So this country cannot take its voters for a ride anymore. The people of India cannot be treated as dumb dolls to be twitched by anyone who makes a tall claim. The people of India will judge.
Arnab.
Okay, we let that go unrebutted. No, Piyush Goyal raised his hand. Vinod Mehta coming to you. Yeah, Piyush, quickly, and then Vinod Mehta.
Arnab, it's a very sad day that a very esteemed person like Pawan Verma suddenly finds himself rootless, because neither did the party that he tried to defend for so long provide any alternative vision, any idea, any alternative agenda before the nation. Like a tape recorder, they repeat the same story. They are not realizing the popularity that Mr. Narendra Modi is garnering all across the nation, including in his own state of Bihar, where everybody knows, every opinion poll shows that Mr. Nitish Kumar and Mr. Pawan Verma's party is decimated. The people are looking up to Mr. Modi to provide visionary and decisive leadership, and his track record of integrity and honesty, his track record of all-round development, 24 hours power, water in every village. The fact that the roads in
fine. Don't pull out the development record of the BJP again. We know it by heart. The number of times you've repeated it. He wants to respond to you. It's a political debate. He wants to respond to you. Pawan Verma is responding straight to you. You too need to answer questions about the ability of Mr. Narendra Modi to build alliances. You haven't addressed that. You haven't addressed the concerns that the JDU raised. You haven't addressed the fact why Mamata Banerjee, your former ally, has criticized Modi. Well, you haven't answered the question about Mayawati, a former ally in Uttar Pradesh, her position on the BJP and Modi. So don't think you're running home with all the allies yet. Yes, Pawan Verma, quick response. But before that, Vinod Mehta, who's running away with the alliances? Vinod Mehta.
I just want to say,
Vinod Mehta,
strong leadership
questions. You can't just ask a question and run away.
And we must
give me time to
But can I give a rebut, Arnab? Can I come in with a rebut?
That overwhelming majority of people in this country think Mr. Modi is a strong leader.
Yeah.
I mean, we can't run away from that.
So you think Pawan Verma is running away from that?
Well, that's Pawan Verma's business.
But is he running away from that? It appears to me.
Because you can say that I don't agree with him, I don't like him. But the contemporary reality must be reflected.
Fine. Point is well taken. Aarti wanted to come in. Pawan Verma wanted to respond. Pawan Verma, you want to respond first to Piyush Goyal very quickly? Did you go on the wrong foot? Mr. Kesavan raises his hand. The Congress party wants to come in. Yes, Mr. Kesavan.
So Mr. Kesavan, please. Piyush?
I didn't address that.
Can I respond to Piyush?
Here is a man who's been traveling all across the country, who's been working hard.
Mr. Kesavan first.
Let me know, he has captured the imaginations of the youth. I mean, he's really a figure where people look up to, and he has not taken any position for so long. And you have on the other side somebody talking about me, myself, and me. And let me talk about this, purported wave of Mr. Narendra Modi. Please don't forget, even the Election Commission has written to the Law Ministry about these so-called polls, which the News Express sting exposed to 11 agencies were tweaking figures to show a non-existent wave to be existent. taking money and trying to, do percentage things and alter the figures. Are these the basis of which you're saying that the whole country is looking towards Narendra Modi? It's a sham. Please don't, create this, smoke screen, around the people of India. They're not going to fall for this lie.
No, 1 second. I didn't get the counter. Piyush Goyal, Piyush Goyal.
Arnab, may I please come in? Arnab.
No, Piyush Goyal. Anyway. No, the point is very clear. As I have said to Sanjay Jha the other day. I said to Sanjay Jha and I will repeat it ad nauseam. Because Mr. Kesavan wants to take some comfort.
Please answer that.
Mr. Kesavan wants to take some comfort in the fact that he perhaps thinks that if opinion polls should have put out that the Congress is getting over 200 plus. Just a minute, please. The fact of the matter is, Mr. Kesavan, let me settle it once and for all. Pick up the phone and ask the news channel which you are talking about. Ask them whether in a press conference in front of everyone, they were asked a straightforward question by a reporter that do you have any evidence that there is the slightest bit of what is wrong data in any poll published, telecast on any newspaper, magazine or television channel. And that channel said, no,
Then
we have no such proof.
Then why don't you
that
explain the
ends
Election Commission's letter
it.
to
In
the law
other
ministry?
words, there is
Why did they say
absolutely
this
no
was wrong?
proof
Why did they
that
say it should be banned?
any particular
Why did the
opinion
Election
poll
Commission
telecast
say that?
anywhere on any channel, including this channel or any other channel or any magazine or newspaper was incorrect. The point here is, Mr. Kesavan, now let me draw you back to the real question. The real question is why Sharad Pawar thinks that Rahul Gandhi's leadership is weak. Why does he think so?
Answer my question.
Where are the allies going?
The Election Commission
Where are the allies going?
To the law
What about the
saying
scams?
that they fear this and there are
What about the medical scam?
You mean to say that the letter of the Election
What
Commission
about the Augusta Westland scam? What about the Augusta Westland
Why
scam?
are you digressing?
What about the
Please
medical
come back to the
scam?
issue, Arnab. You're talking about leadership.
Why? What
You
about
want to
these
come and talk
scams?
about leadership
No,
here.
do these scams matter? Do these scams matter? You
have
are a
been
government which has a
sitting
scam
in
a day,
Modi's
Mr.
government.
Kesavan.
You have Mr.
A
Babu
government
Gandhi,
has a
you have
scam
Mr.
a day.
Gautam
Rashtrapati
Shetty,
Bhavan
Mr.
land is
Modi's
given away
cabinet
for
has been
65
convicted.
crore
Why don't
rupees.
you talk about that?
Submarines
Why do we continuously
die.
leave that?
Submariners die because Exide batteries are not provided. Mr. Kesavan, my question to you is very simple. And fundamentally think about this. Do not dodge the question tonight. Tonight, you must explain to us before we let you go.
I'm not going anywhere, I'm here.
Rahul Gandhi stands there and gets garlanded in the pleasant company of Ashok Chavan after saying, I will act against corruption. A man who has been indicted by a report in the other scam, is cozying up once again with your party leader. You tell me, Mr. Kesavan, is this the change you as a young Congress leader were looking for? Is Ashok Chavan the mascot of the change the Congress party was providing?
You're a well-informed person.
Is he? Is he or is he not? Don't obfuscate.
Let me respond. You're a well-informed person. You know what the issue was about. The issue was about whether the land belonged to widows of the Kargil martyrs. It was very clearly said the land belonged to the Maharashtra government. It didn't belong to the widow of the Kargil martyrs. Now a judicial commission is there. It is sub judice.
That's super technical replies. Don't give me
now
super technical replies.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi has very
Don't give me
clearly said
super
actually-
Mr.
technical replies. You
Kesavan, it's
understand
very
as well as me.
clear you have to fight these elections on two issues. One is your performance, and in the performance, the first thing that comes across is the string of scams. Is the string of scams starting from 3WG to 2G.
Please let us, not.
Well, I don't know.
Mr. Kesavan, your track record is a track record of scams. You don't have a leadership to stand up and fight these scams. How do you think you're going to face an electorate of 120 crores?
And I think the people of India are going to judge this.
Yeah, so if you've acted immediately, is Rahul Gandhi getting garlanded by Ashok Chavan? That perception of actually acting on scam-tainted people, is that the image that you want to leave the people of this country with?
It was we who passed the RTI. It was we who pushed and passed the Lokpal bill.
Well, because as they say,
let me ask you one point.
Because as they say,
one point.
Because as they say,
one point.
Mr. Kesavan, you can promise the moon.
Let me make one point.
You can promise the moon.
This is at the crux
You
of my
can
argument.
promise the
Let me
moon.
make one point. See, you talk about corruption in 2002, and you faulted us for the ordinances.
No,
You said we couldn't. No,
we're taking the discussion forward. I'm taking a short break. The question here is this:
let me just give you
pictures.
one
We
word
show the
here.
pictures and come on the other side. You can promise the moon. At the end of the day, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. And today, Ashok Chavan and Rahul Gandhi cozying together is really the image of the day. I'm back in a couple of minutes. Secularism versus communalism. How much will that matter in the fight for 2014?